Hello everybody, it's once again time to clean the floor. Today I have Pinalen 2 times concentrated fresh pine multi-purpose cleaner. Now the regular smells pretty good, so hopefully this is twice as good. So we'll go over to the cloud cam and see what happens. Over at the cloud cam, I have my hot water. I've got my 1/8 cup measuring cup. It's 1/8 cup, 30 milliliters, 2 tablespoons, I believe we got some thunderous clouds forming there, and very nice traditional pine scent. I think I will like this product. Here's a close-up of what the water looks like before I start. Here we go. As usual, go over the floor twice and rinse the mop out before the second round. And we are off. And there is round one. Here we go with a round two. And there's a nice pleasant pine scent in the hallway. Floor is looking pretty good. Clean up that little splash right quick. And we are done for another cleaning session. And picked up a pretty good amount of dirt. That water is darker than it was when I began. Once again, cleaning the floor with Pinalen 2 times concentrated fresh pine multi-purpose cleaner. Thank you for watching.